Hello and welcome to the Ballet Basics for Adults series. I'm Alessia. Today we're going to be melting, but not only melting, we're actually going to be working on our beautiful fondues. You're ready? I know it, so let's get going. Let's melt, okay? Fondue means melting. So every time you do this movement, think of every bit of your body really indulging and squeezing. I don't know, I think about chocolate fondue, cheese fondue, everything that kind of melts and kind of getting hungry. So the step goes like this. We're still going to start from our third position right here. And what happens in a fondue is that the two legs need to melt. How do we melt them? We bend them, yeah? So we bend them at the same time. This is fondue to petit retiré. Petit retiré is your foot pointed, yeah? The pinky is not resting and the heel is back and the bum is out, yeah? So remember the plie, shift the weight on one leg, lift the other one and place it next to where the little ankle bone is. And the big toe is trying to touch the ankle bone. And the heel is pushing forward, yeah? Not letting it drop backwards. Very good. Okay, let's try the other side. Think about first the plie, just to get you used to it. Shift the weight onto the right leg and then lift the foot onto coupe. Okay? Very good. Nice. Now, let's go from third position. Let's put everything into one. The plie, the shifting of the weight and the lifting of the foot. Here. Very good, coming back. And again, here. Melting, cheese melting, squeezing back up. Let's do the other side. Chocolate melting on the other side. Chocolate melting, coming back up. Chocolate melting and coming back up. Very good. Chocolate melting and back up. Very nice. Now let's put another bit into it. We put our foot and extend the leg in front. From here, we separate the two legs and they extend at the same time. And again, in, extend at the same time, pointing onto the tongue to the floor. And in, and down, and in. Very good. And now, do you think it can be done on l'air? Remember this word? En l'air, not only à terre. Good, you can do it on l'air. We separate the two legs and then we extend en l'air. Very good. Can you do it in every other position? Of course. We can do it to the second, yeah, extending on the floor, coming back in, extending out to side. Can we do it to the back? Of course. Down, let's try to the floor, à terre, and in, en l'air. Very nice, very good. Let's keep on practicing the melting. Onto the floor and in, en l'air. Very good. So now you've got the hang of this nice, soft, indulging step. The fondue, okay? Good for the hips, good to feel, chew it. Shall we do an exercise with it? Very good, let's do it. Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress and path. It's down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there. So you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it. Tango, maestro, because that's what we love. There is something about tango and we want to do a fondue with it. As you will hear, there is a lots of little music into it, yes? So it's perfect for this olé
kind of movement, okay? Perfect for the fondue. So let's go into our fondue. It's gonna be nice and easy, just like we've done in the practice before. So we're gonna go fondue and fondue. See, can you see? Look at it. Fondue and fondue. See how much I want to indulge and keep on fonduing into that. And then we go stretching and stretching. And then we're gonna do it en l'air because we like it. Fondue and fondue. I don't know why I'm going to French tango. And then en l'air, en l'air. We're gonna do the same to the side. Fondue and fondue. Starting to get serious now. And place it to the floor and out, en l'air, en l'air. You've got time to feel every single muscle engaging, yeah? In and in to the floor and in and in and oh, we close. We go a little and we walk to the right all the way around and walk the bar, and we change leg and we come back to the other side. So I want you not to only understand the step, but I want you to have that feel, yeah? So from the back, we finished our fondue, we close, we go, oh, oui, and we go around to do the tango on the other side, okay? This is going to be it. Let's do it. And breath. To the floor. Go. On there. Very nice. Feel the inside thighs. And down. And there. To the back. In. Very nice. To the side. Back. And you close. And walk. Walk, prepare. Left leg in front. And go. And one more. Detach and lay. Fondue. Detach on floor. In. Detach and lay. And go. Down. Detach on floor. In. And close third. In. Walk around other side. And woohoo! I'm so glad you know all about chocolate fondue and cheese fondue and the ballet fondue. Brilliant! How did it go? Remember to let me know in a comment down below. And I know you're ready for the next cooking lesson. No, ballet lesson. But let's go with frappe! It's not what you think. Let's do it.